Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Tornado sirens look simple, but this is really a public goods question, and you can lock the answer fast by spotting why private markets fail. The key idea? Tornado warning sirens are public goods, meaning lots of people benefit at once, and one person hearing the warning does not reduce anyone else's benefit. Now add non-excludability. Once the siren sounds, you cannot easily stop non-payers from hearing it, so many people wait, free ride, and avoid paying the full cost. That creates market failure because private individuals lack enough incentive to fund the sirens, so local governments usually provide them instead, which matches option C. Well done! Option C! Scan now. Trap, rushing past public good clues. Rule, trust what is given, then check the logic step by step.